Okay. Okay, it started. Start over.
There's some malfunctions.
What's the episode number?
Well, not really an episode, it's a special one, but it's the second part of this.
No, we're not going to use that first part. So what?
Special episode, but we're not?
No. So what's this special episode?
It's opening one present, and right now.
What day is your birthday?
Tomorrow, May 1st.
Oh, and how old are you going to be?
11.
Oh, there it says it.
And let's open this and this. And the rest on tomorrow.
The rest. Oh, that's more presents than
I know that.
you need, huh?
Mm-hmm. Love her. 5/17. Let's run in the family. Have a fun birthday. Love her. Love you.
Look at the picture. Is that the good looks? Let me see.
Zoom in. Or just move forward.
Okay. I did both. All right. I wonder if you're going to need some scissors for this. You'll have to see.
Just destroy it. Destroy it. Stab him!
Nice. What is it?
It's a cone. I knew it was going to be a cone. I felt it yesterday.
A cone, huh? Let's see. Take it out.
Also a cone. One. This is overrated.
What?
It's overrated.
What does that mean?
If you know what that means.
How many cones? Oh my goodness. And this is from, you said, oh, there's probably one cone in there, you told me, right? Oh my goodness, how many cones? How many are we at?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8? Oh my goodness. So how many is it?
9.
9? Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. One less than your age. Whoa, what do you think of that gift?
Pretty good.
8 of them are for me.
Pretty good, huh? Can I stop taping or can you say something to end this? Because it's pretty long. It's already 3 minutes.
Okay. Well, it's time for the closing. If you like this episode, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I can hear my echo. Tell your friends about these videos. And you know what? I'm going to see you tomorrow or right now. Right when it's recording it. For the rest of these. See you then.